Nice one. Welcome back, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. Till grading time. I'm not showing you the book. You've seen it all before. Plenty of stuff in there. Missing one or two. Just draw your attention to the back. We've got 5 Commonwealth Games, because last time we found a Scotland. And we've got, what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 32 diversities. We've also found the L, 2019, and referendum, and 2P there, 2019. Girl guiding. Okay, so we ask in shops, we raid their tills. Family and friends, piggy bank overspill. And that's definitely what's happened today. Okay, look at this lot. Alright, so let's zoom in. Let's zoom in a bit. There we go. Got some absolute crackers. We'll start with these. These came from my mate Keith. Okay, he says it didn't have anything in regards to 50s or 2 quids, but he did have this, which is the Leek old round pound coin. And if you haven't seen my round pound coin video, go check that out. I put a little bit of a thing up in the top corner somewhere up here. Okay, and then this one's from Australia 2008. This one's 1990, the old quid, and this one's from Australia 2008. I believe it's a 10 cent. It doesn't say anything on there, it just says 10. So any info, let me know, folks. I'm always willing to learn. So that's the Leek, and that's I don't even know what it is actually. I thought it was a frilly bird thing. So please enlighten me. Please educate me. Again, similar story to last time. Not much on the 10p, 50p's. Really dismal, really. In fact, we've only got 5 there, and we'll just get straight into it. We've got Diggy Winkle. Nice coin, high mintage, but still, we've got another bunny there. I think you've got to check these for rotation, which will lead me on to something soon. We've got Paddington at the Palace, and if we can just get it in there, it does seem to have the old crisp packet error. Now, can anybody remember the name of the crisp packet error that it was given? If you can, let me know. Write it down in big capital letters. Okay, we've got the heroic act there, and at the very beginning of time of the Contuberverse, this was called the Wounded Soldier. Those who know, they know. Okay, and last one, it's a Tom Kitten. A Tom Kitten with his beady eyes. Alright, we don't want them. Right, now, the £2. Because certain restrictions got lifted, I was able to go and meet family members in the garden, and certain family members fetched out the £2 jar, wiped it all down and said, here, have a look at that, Dan. So I got a couple of nice coins out of it. Some I found in change as well during this journey, but the first 2 I want to show you that came out the jar. Again, I had to buy these off my family member. These 2 are 2 horrendous fakes. I never get fakes, ever. But these 2 are horrendous. That one just looks super smooth, and it's just crazy. So we'll flip that one over, and it's very sharp. I mean, let me know your thoughts. I said these were fakes. If we have a look at the edge inscription on that. But again, I'm not a master of fakery, so I don't really know. I don't come across many fakes at all. But I thought, well, they're alright to have. Getting shouted at. Right, yeah, so I'm not a master of fakery, but I certainly think that these 2 are fakes. So we've got a 2008, which almost looks bleached. Anyway, we'll just pop that one there. And then this one is 2011. It don't look too bad there, so let me know, guys, your views on this. But as soon as we turn this over, Her Majesty is way upside down. Now, look at the condition of her hair and then the size of her nose, and obviously there's got that get big gouge out of the coin as well. So I don't know, but again, if you're having a look, where the silver part meets the gold part, especially around here, it looks like paint. I think this gold part's been painted and it's bled into the silver or whatever. So I think this is another fake, but let me know your thoughts. It's just one of them things, isn't it? You know, not nice, but one of them things. Right, let's get on to some decent coins. I have got a foreign coin in here somewhere. Alright, so this one, probably found this one in my change. Yeah, I did. This one is the gunpowder plot. So we don't need that for the book. And then we found this one, DNA. Again, a cracking find, but we don't need that one. Now this is the foreign one. Now I have absolutely no idea what this one is. This came out of the jar. It is obviously Arabic of sorts, but I don't even know which way it goes up. A lovely little flower there as well. So again, any ideas on those, folks? I need your help on all this lot. Now, let's have a look at this one. Very shiny, very shiny. Now we flip this one over. It's a Trinity house, but look at all those little damaged bits of dye that have broken away inside that lighthouse, inside the lens there. Pretty cool. Might keep that one. Right, which ones we got left? Right, here we go. These belters here. So 2015. Alright, let's have a look. Britannia. 2 2015 Britannias. Very low minted. And yeah, keepers all day long. So we'll keep these. But yeah, the best one I've got is this one. Very shiny. And just like the errors and the fakes, I hardly get these at all. So we'll hold it by the Queen's facing that way, and we spin this one around, and you can see the £2 is at the bottom and the 2015 is at the top. We've got a nice rotation error. This was in the jar as well. So you spin it around. I don't know how much these are worth, but very odd, very unlikely for me to find. Because when you ask for change like picture 50p's and £2 coins, and odd. Fakes and errors don't usually come my way, and I'm absolutely buzzing about this. I'm buzzing about the 2015 Britannias as well. Nothing new for the book, but let me know your thoughts on this haul today, folks. And until next time, do take care of yourself, stay safe, and as always, have yourself an happy day.